In Mint, you are able to schedule training based on certain scheduling criteria. For example, you can schedule based on resource cost. You can also take a balanced approach where the system assigns resources in a way that the amount of work is equally distributed amongst resources. Or less fragmented, where the system assigns the same resources for all project events whenever possible. Lastly, you could define the scheduling criteria as property, where the system assigns project resources based on a resource property defined by the user. For example, if you wanted to schedule based on seniority number. In version 13, we made the life of the scheduler a little easier, and we can have the scheduling criteria defined by default in the product design. Let's see how to set this up in the web assistant. Head over to the product page, right-click on a category, and select Slot Group Properties. The scheduling criteria property is already created in version 13, so all you have to do is activate it. Next, we'll head into our product and actually define the criteria. Edit the slot group of your choice, and you'll notice you can set 4 different criteria: less fragmented, balanced, cost-based, and property. Please note that for a property criteria, you can only use properties of type integer, float, date, and text. The scheduling criteria setup is done. Now all you have to do is schedule training and let the system do the rest. For more information about default scheduling criteria, visit your Mint manual.